Welcome to our Data Science and Artificial Intelligence quiz series. What will this expression do if file doesn't exist? The correct option is option B, raise file not found error. Opening a file in read mode that doesn't exist will raise an error. Which method reads the entire content of a file? The correct option is option C, read method. Read method reads the entire content of the file into a single string. What does this expression do? The correct option is option A, closes file automatically. With statement handles opening and closing the file safely. What is the default file mode in open function? The correct option is option C, R, read operations. If no mode is specified, Python defaults to read mode. What method is used to write to a file? The correct option is option D, write method. Use write method to write a string to a file. Which library is used for numerical computing in Python? The correct answer is option B, NumPy. NumPy provides efficient tools for numerical operations and arrays.